Solar storms brought some colorful auroras to unexpected places, and there could be even more tonight. Space weather forecasters confirm storms reached severe levels Tuesday night, triggering northern lights in several states, including in Illinois. People all over the area reported seeing colorful skies. Over the past few days, the sun has burped out several bursts of energy called coronal mass ejections. 2 have reached Earth so far, but at least 1 is still on the way and is expected to arrive this evening after sunset. Some advice: taking a picture of the northern lights with a smartphone can reveal hints of the aurora not visible to the naked eye. One thing is for sure, last night these auroras were very visible to the naked eye. As you can see from this photo given to us from our very own sports watcher, Matt Posner, beautiful clear skies and those auroras out in full strength last night. This photo was taken at Douglas Hart Nature Center in Mattoon. We do have a chance to see the auroras again tonight. It's not as great as last night, but a non-zero chance. We'll have more on that in just a moment. Highs today, 61 degrees for our high in Charleston. Our warmest temperature, 64 degrees for a few of us in Effingham and in Taylorville. Those conditions right now are already starting to cool off. Temperatures near 45 degrees in Paris already, 53 degrees in Charleston, and 57 degrees currently in Decatur. Now, overnight tonight, these lows will be getting down near the freezing point around the area, 33 in Charleston specifically. We did see a clear day today, but clouds are going to be moving in and out throughout the evening tonight. Winds will continue to stay lighter, only up to 15 miles an hour coming out of the west. Those winds will shift a little bit during the day tomorrow, but again, you do have that chance to see the northern lights or the aurora borealis this evening. The green line is where the aurora is going to be at its strongest, and in Charleston, you see this blue line here is where it's just barely visible on the horizon. So we do have a smaller chance of seeing the aurora than we did last night. And of course, with those clouds moving in and out, it's going to be difficult, but not impossible to see those auroras out there tonight if you're going to be out and looking. 61 degrees for your high in Charleston tomorrow. Again, these winds are going to be staying calm throughout the morning, but eventually strengthening from the south. That's going to continue to fuel our warm-up that we're seeing over the next couple of days. Clouds sporadically moving in and out throughout the day tomorrow across east central Illinois. And you can see that on our Futurecast right now as I roll this forward for you. Pretty clear skies right now, but overnight tonight, those clouds are going to be starting to move in. Now around 3 a.m. tonight, they're starting to break down a little bit. Maybe we might get a little bit of sunlight through the sunrise hours tomorrow, but then some heavier cloud cover comes right back over the area during the lunch hour tomorrow. And then we're aggressively moving off to the east, leaving us with a clear sky for the nighttime on Thursday and for the next couple of days ahead. Now, again, this warm-up is going to be continuing only around the low 60s tomorrow, but for Friday and Saturday, these temperatures could be getting closer to 70 degrees, and that warm-up is going to be coming to a pretty abrupt stop as these temperatures are already going to be back down into the 50s on Sunday and even possibly into the 40s on Monday. And looking past this week, our 6 to 10 day outlook suggests that we will continue to see above average temperatures across a lot of the Midwest, including us here in east central Illinois. Now, taking a little bit of a pivot from the hot to the cold, Winter Weather Safety Week continues this week. We're going to be talking about a little bit of extreme cold safety tonight. Now, of course, if we do see those extremely cold temperatures outside, you should be staying inside and warm. But if you are going to be outside doing whatever, definitely be aware of the possibility of frostbite or hypothermia. In order to help avoid possible frostbite or hypothermia, make sure to dress in several different layers and to prepare your home heating for the season. That can mean cleaning out the fireplace or chimney or changing out your furnace filter. Any of those things you need to do to make sure that your method of heating for your home is up to spec for the winter season. Looking at our 7-day forecast, again, up for the next couple of days, including 72 degrees on Saturday. We do see some clouds back into the forecast for the end of the weekend and the start of next work week.